another video. Yesterday we did the one with the sunflower poppet, so now we're going to pick another one out of this pile. So let's get picking. Okay, I picked this one. De-enable. Okay. Well, it's currently stuck to our ceiling, so, let's pick another one out. Okay, right, let's hope this one isn't a de-enable. Hardboard poppet. Okay, that's this. Okay, so... I would rate it a 7 out of 10. It doesn't have the best pop in the world, but it's still really good. And I really like the shape. I like that it's not very flexible, because these ones are really flexible, and sometimes the flexible ones can just pop back on themselves. So I really like it, and it's really nice, and the textures are great on both sides. Anyway, bye guys. Grandpa's gonna do it.
Hello! I'm feeling very pink today, so I'm going to take one of these out of here and look at it and see what it says. And it says, Orange Dimple. Oh, great. Let's have a look at the Orange Dimple. There. No, that's not Orange Dimple. This is Orange Dimple. Is this Orange Dimple?
No.
What is Orange Dimple? This is Orange Dimple. Well, let's play with the Orange Dimple. I don't know why this is called Orange Dimple, but it's called Orange Dimple. Now, boom, press the Orange Dimple. Press it down. Press that one down.
You need to hold it up to be
Press this one down. Let's hold it up and show everybody. Press, 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 press. Ah, press, press. I'm all pressed. And now I'm going to turn it over and press it back again. Press, 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 press. Oh, my thumbs are now exercised. It's like doing press-ups for your thumbs. Oh, there they go. They're all done now. Now, this is, that's quite a nice shape. It's got lots of colours. It's, red, and it's, I don't know what shape they are, but it's a flower. It looks like a flower. There you are, it looks like a flower. And there's the flower with all the seeds sticking out. Yes, I think this is quite nice. I will give this 7.5 out of 10.
Same as yesterday then.
Same as yesterday then. Right, goodbye folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we're trying to get the de-enable down.
Right, I still need something to reach. I have to go and get a pole. These big stick. Doing, 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 boing.
It's on the floor now, so well done. I was going to do it. Oh my word, he got a giant poppet.
A giant poppet. Here we go, giant poppet for your boy.
Why do you keep talking like that? It's fun, it's really big. Jumbo!
It's like playing the piano.
Come on, 2 more! Oh, right, you still got a whole bottom row to pop. Okay, what's your review on it?
My review is...
No, you don't need to talk like that.
My review is 9 out of 11.
9 out of 11.
9 out of 11.
That
Since
is
when
good.
did that exist? So that would be 10 out of 10, basically. Yeah. What is what you're saying? So you really like it.
Right.
Okay.
Hello.
Ozzy!
Ah, that's a good boy.
Ozzy! Little doggy.
Ah, no, Ozzy.